Welcome to the product demo of the Wood-Mizer LT40WIDE hydraulic portable sawmill. Built in the USA, the LT40WIDE features the widest in-class sawing capacity, complete hydraulic log handling, powered head controls with setworks, fully welded steel frame, and more for a premium quality hydraulic sawmill that is a sawing workhorse and an industry legend. Let's take a look. Saw softwood and hardwood logs up to 41 inches in diameter with a 34.5 inch width of cut and a 21 feet length before extensions. More than enough capacity for most logs you'll come across and all the wide slabs you'll want to make. Powerful and dependable 26.5 horsepower or 38 horsepower gas and 35 horsepower diesel engines with electric start are available to fit your needs. The patented cantilever open saw head allows for sawing of odd-shaped logs, simple setup with minimal bed leveling, and comfort design with easy off-bearing on the trapezoid-shaped bed. Quickly and accurately move the saw head up, down, and forward reverse for sawing with easy-to-use powered saw head controls. Plus, the setworks allow for preset board thicknesses to automatically calculate and control blade height while referencing from the previous cut for increased efficiency and performance. Walk along with the saw head when sawing forward reverse, or upgrade to the optional command control station to operate the saw head while remaining stationary at the front of the mill. An optional operator seat is also available to sit and ride along with the saw head. Engage the sawmill blade with a convenient on-off switch on the control panel that engages the clutch and automatically throttles the engine at the same time. The LT40WIDE uses 171-inch length sawmill blades that run on belted 19-inch diameter cast iron band wheels for additional stability in the cut. With the ability to saw as precise as 1/16 of an inch with a thin curve sawmill blade, you get the most usable lumber out of every log. Reduce blade travel and support the blade when sawing narrow and wide material with the adjustable blade guide arm powered by a left-right switch on the control panel. High-performance blade guide rollers provide extra support and stability for sawmill blades to saw accurately and consistently compared to blade guide blocks. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with the auto blade lubrication that applies directly to the blade. The lubrication valve automatically opens when the sawmill controls are in the forward feed position and closes in neutral or reverse for consistently distributing lubrication to the blade when you need it. Mud, rocks, bark, and other sawmill blade dulling debris is no longer a problem with an optional debarker. Powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor, the debarker protects sawmill blades from damage by clearing a 1/4 inch wide path in front of where the sawmill blade enters the cut. With the debarker, you will save money by extending your sawmill blade life, and you will also save time previously spent on pre-washing logs and changing blades more often from sawing into debris. Constructed of fully welded premium quality steel, the sawmill bed adds extra strength where it counts with a box steel frame with precision welded monorail. The cross sections or bunks feature wide top surface areas and stainless steel protective coverings for easier log handling, added durability, and preserving lumber quality. From a centralized control panel, control all hydraulic log handling functions including log loading arms, side supports, log turner, log clamp, and log leveling toe boards. Load large logs onto the sawmill bed with the hydraulically controlled loading arms. Each arm features a self-leveling, heavy-duty cylinder. Turn and rotate logs and cants for the next cut with a hydraulically controlled steel claw turner. 2 hydraulic roller toe boards assist with the precise leveling of the hardwood of the log to maintain lumber quality. The toe boards are also equipped with rollers to allow the sawyer to easily move material across the bed frame. The heavy-duty bidirectional hydraulic log clamp tightly fastens logs for sawing and is adjustable up, down, and in-out as material is cut. 4 strong steel side supports, 2 manual and 2 hydraulically controlled with heavy-duty rollers to assist with turning logs, are adjustable up-down to stabilize logs on the bed during loading, turning, clamping, and sawing. Upgrade all 4 side supports to hydraulic for even more productivity. An additional built-in bedside support on each bunk allows for final cuts as low as 1 inch of the bed. The LT40 wide hydraulic is completely portable and ready for road travel, with a standard single-axle trailer and electric brakes. 6 adjustable outriggers allow for quick setup and simple leveling of the bed to prepare for sawing. Saw logs up to 21 feet in length with the included sawmill bed. To saw longer lengths, 6 feet, 12 feet, or 24 feet bed extensions can be added with a 45 feet max length of cut. Manufacturing the LT40 wide hydraulic portable sawmill by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in the United States provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. With decades of manufacturing experience, Wood-Mizer employees in the heart of the Midwest USA have been manufacturing high-quality Wood-Mizer equipment for global markets since 1982. Sales of parts and blades, service, and support are always available through your local Wood-Mizer representative. The LT40 wide hydraulic portable sawmill comes fully assembled, so you can begin sawing as soon as you receive your sawmill. Free sawmill training by an experienced service representative is included during your Wood-Mizer location pickup. With the industry's best warranty and support, the LT40 wide is backed by the same level of service, quality, and safety features shared by the entire family of Wood-Mizer equipment. Whether you need technical advice, parts, or troubleshooting, your local Wood-Mizer representative is available to help. Thank you for watching the demo of the LT40 wide hydraulic portable sawmill. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.